Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of YouTube automation. Have you ever wondered how some channels manage to maintain their anonymity while producing consistent and engaging content? Well, in this video, I'll share the secrets behind the creation of my very own faceless YouTube automation channel. Stick around to uncover the strategy, tools, and insights that made it all possible. Let's get started. Before we start our videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for our upcoming uploads. So let's get started. The concept of a faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channel is a content creator's online persona that remains anonymous or conceals their identity throughout their videos. By intentionally avoiding showing their face, creators focus on delivering content through voiceovers, visuals, and other creative means. This concept offers privacy and flexibility while engaging viewers with intriguing content. Choosing a niche or genre. Choosing a niche or genre for your YouTube channel is a critical decision that can significantly impact your success. To make the right choice, you need to consider your passions, expertise, and audience appeal. Start by identifying your interests and knowledge areas, as your enthusiasm will be evident in your content. Research your chosen niches to gauge competition and audience demand. Look for a balance between what you love and what has a potential audience. Remember that niche selection is not set in stone. You can evolve over time. Picking the right niche lays the foundation for creating content that resonates with viewers and helps your channel grow. RPM and CPM explained. RPM, revenue per mil, and CPM, cost per mil, are advertising metrics used in digital marketing. RPM represents the estimated earnings a content creator earns for every 1,000 views on their content, while CPM is the cost advertisers pay per 1,000 impressions of their ads. RPM measures a creator's revenue, while CPM indicates an advertiser's expense. These metrics are critical in understanding and optimizing the financial aspects of online content and advertising strategies. Automation tools and software. Content writing. Content writing has evolved with the advent of AI-powered tools like chatbots and GPT-based models like ChatGPT. These tools assist in creating compelling and informative content. Chatbots can be used to generate conversational pieces, answer frequently asked questions, and engage with the audience in a personalized manner. ChatGPT, for example, takes content creation to a new level. By providing prompts and instructions, you can harness its vast knowledge to draft articles, blog posts, or even scripts for videos. You can fine-tune the tone, style, and length of the content to suit your brand or audience. It's an invaluable resource for research, generating ideas, and overcoming writer's block. These tools aren't meant to replace human creativity, but to augment it. They can save time, enhance productivity, and offer suggestions that spark inspiration. Combining human ingenuity with AI assistance leads to content that is not only informative, but also engaging, relatable, and tailored to your specific needs. AI voiceover. AI voiceovers have revolutionized audio content creation, and platforms like Wellsaid Labs, Murph.ai, and 11 Labs are at the forefront of this innovation. These platforms employ sophisticated AI models to generate natural-sounding voiceovers. Users can create AI voiceovers by inputting text, adjusting parameters like pitch, tone, and accent, and selecting the preferred voice. The AI then synthesizes the text into lifelike spoken words, making it a versatile tool for podcasts, videos, e-learning, and more. Wellsaid Labs, Murph.ai, and 11 Labs offer a range of voices in multiple languages, enabling content creators to produce high-quality audio content efficiently and effectively. Content creation or video editing. Hiring video editors on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork is a strategic move for content creators seeking professional and tailored editing services. This part of the content creation workflow involves several essential steps. First, you need to post a job with your specific requirements. Clearly outline your project scope, including details like video length, content type, and the style you're looking for. Mention any special effects, transitions, or other specific editing needs. After posting the job, you'll start receiving applications and proposals from freelance video editors. These applications will typically include the editor's portfolio, relevant experience, and an overview of how they intend to approach your project. Reviewing applicants is a crucial phase. Carefully assess their portfolios to gauge the quality of their work. Look for similar projects they've worked on and how well they align with your vision. Consider factors like editing style, creativity, and attention to detail. When you've reviewed the applicants, you can engage in direct communication with potential editors. Ask questions about their process, discuss your expectations, and clarify any doubts. This interaction is valuable for understanding how well you can collaborate. Finally, select an editor based on their portfolio, expertise, and how well they understand your project's needs. Ensure they are comfortable with your budget and timeline. Overall, hiring video editors through platforms like Fiverr and Upwork empowers you to access a wide pool of talent, tailor your choice to your specific project, and achieve professional editing results. Effective communication, clear expectations, and a meticulous review process are key to finding the right editor for your content. Video thumbnails. A video thumbnail is a small, eye-catching image that represents the content of a video. It serves as a visual preview and plays a crucial role in attracting viewers and enticing them to click on the video. A compelling thumbnail should be engaging, relevant to the video's content, and designed to pique curiosity. AI tools like Mid-Journey or other AI thumbnail generators are emerging as valuable resources for content creators. These tools can analyze the video's content and suggest relevant images or designs for the thumbnail. They streamline the thumbnail creation process, ensuring alignment with the video's subject matter. Alternatively, hiring a professional designer through freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork is another option. You can post a job with your requirements and review the portfolios of designers to find one whose style and expertise match your brand and content. Collaborating with a skilled designer allows for highly customized and visually appealing thumbnails that can significantly enhance the click-through rate and overall video performance. Title and SEO optimization. Title and SEO optimization is the process of crafting a video title and metadata to improve its discoverability and ranking in search engines, particularly on platforms like YouTube. To achieve this, content creators use various tools and software like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or vidIQ to conduct keyword research. These tools help identify relevant and high-traffic keywords, allowing creators to create titles, descriptions, and tags that align with popular search queries. Effective title and SEO optimization is crucial for increasing a video's visibility and attracting a larger audience by making it more likely to appear in search results and recommendations. Engagement strategies. Engagement strategies are the dynamic tactics employed by content creators to foster audience interaction, connection, and loyalty. These strategies encompass an array of amazing elements, including responding to comments promptly, hosting live Q&A sessions, encouraging likes, shares, and subscriptions, and organizing contests or giveaways. The use of interactive features like polls and interactive cards in videos further enhances engagement. Building a sense of community through forums or social media groups, as well as collaborating with viewers on content ideas, are also powerful engagement tools. These strategies not only increase viewer retention, but also create a more vibrant and dedicated audience that actively participates in your content journey. Growth and monetization. Growth and monetization in the context of YouTube involve two key aspects. First, the recent policies within the YouTube Partner Program now allow creators to monetize their content with a lower entry threshold of 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. This change encourages more creators to monetize their videos and start earning revenue earlier in their YouTube journey. Second, growth strategies encompass techniques to expand your subscriber base, increase video views, and improve engagement. Effective promotion, collaboration, SEO optimization, and consistent, high-quality content are essential elements of achieving sustainable growth and unlocking the revenue potential offered by YouTube's monetization program. Thank you for joining us today on this exciting journey of creating a faceless YouTube automation channel. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and remember, your support means the world to us. See you in the next one.